ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಶುಭೋದಯ. Hello everyone, greetings for the day and welcome to our Kannada learning journey. This is Divya and you are watching Trend Brain. If you're a new member to our Trend Brain family, click on the subscription button and don't forget to click on the bell notification so you will receive all our timely updates. So today it's day 4 and we are working with the Kannada reading series for 15 days and our children have taken up this challenge with me to read and learn Kannada along with me. I would like to mention this lesson is going to be helpful for students who have taken Kannada as one of the subject in their preschooling. So let's get started. Before we get started, I would like to give a big shout out to all my students who have religiously following the work and have submitted. So let's take a look. Today is day 4 and if you have missed the lessons of day 1, day 2, day 3, I have given the links in the description. You can catch us on those particular lessons and you can follow us for our day 4 activity. In day 4, we're going to start with reading exercises of 2-letter and 3-letter words. ಸೊ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಗುರುತಿಸಬೇಕು. We have to be very confident in identifying the letters of our Kannada Varnamale. If anybody has got the doubt, here is the list of the letters of our Kannada Varnamale. The second thing is, pick up any letters and you should be able to recognize them by sight. Okay, so any letter which has been given to you, you should be able to recognize it by sight. If you have that difficulty, not to worry, go back to the lesson of learning the Kannada letters. Learn it, read it, write it, practice it n number of times that you would like to be working with so you are very strong enough. Only after that, get into the habit of reading. Okay, so some words can be meaningful, some words do not have meaning. It's absolutely okay at the beginning to get started. So today's first exercise is going to be recognizing the 2-letter words. I'm going to giving you some of the words and you will have to recognize the words and read it out. I'm going to see how many of you all will get that correct. The first word is here. Very good. So I had flashed 5 words. I think you have got the habit of learning. Now let me introduce you some of the new words. So ಈಗ 2 ಅಕ್ಷರ ಅಥವಾ 3 ಅಕ್ಷರದ ಪದಗಳನ್ನ ಓದ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. I'm going to be telling out some of the words and you will have to repeat after me. All right? ಅಗಲ, ಈರ, ಊಟ, ಕಮಲ, ದಳ, ಮತ, ಆಟ, ಏತ, ಆಲ, ಎಡ, ಇನ, ತಳ. ಇದು the first exercise. So everybody get practice of reading these words. Take a notebook and write down these words. Parents, you can also give them dictation so that they would be very confident in learning it. Okay, so let's move to our reading exercise number 2. Are you ready? Okay. So now the second reading pattern is Ota, Haya, Shara, Audala, Hada, Asha, Isha, Usha, Havala. So I've given I think 8 to 9 words. Write down in a notebook. Try to read and also take a dictation, children. Okay? So let's go to our exercise 3, the next set of words. Aidala, Aidala, Runa, Kana, Badagana, Chala, Mana or Mana, Mana, Ruta, Chala, Ona, Hana, Bana. So this is our third exercise. So we got some more words to practice it for today. Right, children? So these are the words for today. Now you can do the similar activity as yesterday. you can make a Padasara out of all these words and share your work with me. I'm very happy for students who have submitted the work yesterday. I am religiously noting it down. Let's see who's going to complete this 15-day challenge without taking even one day of break. Okay, so alright, so that's it for today. I will see you on Monday for the day 5 challenge, as Sunday is a holiday. Alright, so take a break and enjoy your Navratri, and as today is the second day of Navratri, I would wish all of you a very happy festival. Stay blessed and stay at home. Thank you so much. Dhanyawad.